Hi, thanks for tuning in to this channel. I will show how I make a spicy hot mix of appetizer using jalapeno, daikon or radish, carrots, and a dash of Shisito Pepper. Yesterday I made a batch of 3 containers shown on the sides, and on the center is the current batch. My family loves this kind of fresh pickled pepper, which is ready for consumption as quickly as 2 hours after its preparation. So, come on, join me here. I have prepared and processed the veggies for easy presentation. I'm playing with a roughly more or less 1 cup ratio for the main ingredients here. As I go along, read the labels I have placed to identify the ingredients. I must vouch that all ingredients were properly and thoroughly washed already. And by mentioning this, I have an upcoming and updated video on how I remove unwanted residues, chemicals, and pesticides on cooking vegetables and related raw ingredients. I have here 13 pieces of jalapeno, which roughly makes a full cup, when sliced crosswise. Remember not to remove the seeds, as the hot and chili part resides more on the seeds. Besides, it was thoroughly washed, as I have already mentioned. Like the jalapeno, I cut the shishito pepper on a crosswise direction too, and I retain the seeds just the same. 1 medium-sized brown onion will be sufficient for the mix. Cut the onion crosswise to make rings. It should be about half to 3/4 of a cup. For the carrot or carrots, 1 medium-sized root will be enough for 1 cup and sliced slightly off crosswise. I have here what was the remaining part of radish or daikon from the other day's pickling, enough for this recipe. Cut into roughly 1 inch width and length, and 1/4 inch thickness or close to that will be the most ideal. I am also adding soybean sauce, my preferred vinegar, and a mixture of salt and garlic. I am skipping addition of fresh sliced garlic only for now, but you can go ahead and add thinly sliced fresh garlic if you want to. On a pot, pour 2 and 1/4 to 2 and 1/2 cups of local vinegar and boil it for about 1 minute. Then set aside and let it cool. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic and salt. Then 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Sugar follows. Add between 1 and 1/2 to 2 tablespoons. Add 1 and 1/2 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The resulting mixture must have a balanced taste to your liking in the end. Not too salty, not too sweet, not too sour. Stir the mixture thoroughly, which by now must be cool enough. I choose this container for keeping my jalapeno pickles. There is no secret on layering the ingredients. Just throw them on the bowl any which way, and whichever of the ingredients will always be okay in the end. But also, presentation of the finished product as seen on the topmost layer of the bowl makes a good impression. This bowl I'm using is easy for safekeeping on the ref and fast enough to grab from. Once done with the first layer, pour the vinegar mix on the bowl. If there are more pickling ingredients remaining, now is the time to place them all on the top. This pickle is geared to be finished in a few days. It is because 2 hours after the pickles are done, it is good to go for consumption. As I have mentioned earlier, It should taste not too salty, not too sweet, not too sour. The desired result should bring out a good balanced taste of these ingredients and an awesome hot and spiciness. I use a wooden baking spoon to top off the contents and make sure all can be reached by the vinegar mix. It is best to refrigerate the pickles right away. Its freshness and crispiness are locked in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you subscribed yet on my channel? And clicking the notification bell will ensure you get a notice every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.